In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download your trading statement on Ctrader. Before we begin, a quick note. I'll demonstrate using the standard Ctrader layout. Your screen might look slightly different on desktop, web, or mobile, but the process is the same. Start by launching Ctrader. Give it a moment to load your workspaces and data. If you use multiple devices, make sure you're on the one where you want to save the file, so you can find it easily later. Next, sign in with your Ctrader ID. This links your profiles and accounts and ensures you're pulling the correct trading history. If you manage multiple live or demo accounts, double check that the correct account is selected before you proceed. This prevents exporting the wrong data. Once you're signed in, open any chart to access the platform's main toolbars. At the bottom toolbar, click History. If you don't see the History tab, try expanding the bottom panel or switching to the Trading view. The History section is where all of your past trades, orders, and statements are organized. Now, select the time period you want to include. You can choose common ranges like today, this week, this month, or set a custom range. Be mindful of your time zone and the broker's server time if you're reconciling activity across platforms. Taking a moment here to pick the precise dates will make your statement cleaner and more useful. By default, the History panel often shows orders or deals. Switch from orders to statement. The statement view consolidates your account activity, including balances, deposits and withdrawals, realized profit and loss, commissions and swaps, giving you a complete snapshot rather than a list of individual executions. When you're ready, click the export or download icon. This is usually a small arrow or a download symbol within the history or statement area. If the button is grayed out, confirm that a time range is selected and data is visible. Choose the format you want. PDF is great for sharing or archiving a read-only statement. CSV or Excel-friendly formats are ideal if you plan to analyze the data in a spreadsheet, pivot tables, or accounting software. HTML can be useful for viewing in a browser with interactive columns. Pick the option that best fits your workflow. Finally, choose where to save the file on your device. Select a folder you'll remember, give the file a clear name, and confirm the save. It's a good habit to store monthly or quarterly statements in dated folders for easy auditing later. And that's it. You've downloaded your trading statement from Ctrader, ready for review, reporting, or sharing with your accountant or team.